to the Dipansh video time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create simple car graphics in 5 minutes. So let's get started and let's see if I can complete the challenge. Okay, so firstly, I have the car, I have the backdrop. Let's just add a stopwatch, a timer. Let's add a timer to see that if I can do it. So quickly on the timer, online timer, there we go. And then let's see if I can do it. Okay, I'm gonna add a timer, 5 minutes timer. Yes, a 5 minutes timer. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go, go, go. It already started. Okay, so firstly, I already have my car and my backdrop ready. So this should be fairly easy. Okay, relax. You don't need to do anything. Firstly, when green flag clicks, I wanted to firstly reduce the size a little bit. So let's firstly reduce the size. So I'm gonna set size to like 80% so we have more space to move around. Yeah, 80% looks good. And now the next thing we have to do is after that, set a position. So I'm going to go to position 0, 0. And yeah, it looks good. Okay, now I'm going to have forever. Those forever will have 4 Fs, one for turning up and down, so clockwise and anti-clockwise, and then another one will be for turning left and right, so moving left and right. Okay, so after that, what we have to do is then add key right arrow and key left arrow for the first two. Okay guys, we have just crossed 4 minutes. It's right now going to 3 minutes 30 seconds. I think we have a fair chance of winning this challenge. Okay, back into the code. So if key right arrow pressed, then it's going to be very, very easy. So I'm just going to put if key right arrow is pressed. Then what I'm going to do is move 5 steps. It will make it move front at the direction. And the move -5 will make it move backwards in that direction. 5 and -5 have differences. -5 will move backwards in that direction, and 5 will move 5 steps in the direction you're facing forward. So if you're facing 90, it will go 90, 77, it will go 77. Okay, so for the next two, I'm going to put 2 more. So if key A and if key D is pressed. So A and D is going to be useful. A is going to be for anti-clockwise and D is going to be for clockwise. So for that, what I'm going to do is get the turn clockwise and put it in D. I'm going to turn clockwise 5 degrees. And for the A, I'm going to put turn clockwise, turn anti-clockwise 5 degrees. Almost got you there. So as if I move it now, I can move the car, and if I can even change the direction the car moving in. So it can be a nice challenge if you want to use this for like avoid the edges, or you can put the basic avoid the spikes game and then spikes will shoot. But nobody for that. I already have videos for all those challenges you want to see. So did we win? Let's see. We won by 1 minute and 30 seconds. So, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, the Dipansh video time is up.